Hello students, we are doing the chapter number 10, motion and measurement of distances. So today we are going to discuss about the transport system. Okay, how was the transport system during the ancient time, or how ancient people used to travel, or how they were able to move from one place to another place. So what is transport first? Transport means to carry goods or people from one place to another. Okay, if you are transporting something, it means you are carrying one goods or people from one place to another place. Nowadays various transport systems are available now. For example, bicycle, train, electric train है ना, trucks, cars, motorcycles, bicycles, etc. So all these are the part of transport system because they used to carry goods or people from one place to another place. But how ancient people were able to move from one place to another place? There were no trains at that time, no aeroplane at that time. So how they used to move? So initially, in the very ancient time, people used to travel on their foot or with the help of animals. Okay, in ancient time people used to travel with the help of animals, or they used to move on their foot only. Okay, they used to walk or they use the animals for their transport or for shifting the objects or goods from one place to another place. Okay, for example, they used animals like camel, horse, elephant, etc. They used to keep the goods on the back of these animals, or they used to sit on these animals, and these animals helped in transporting them. Okay, they used to transport the goods or any people from one place to another place. Okay, they in the ancient people used to travel in the water also. So for moving in water or for having transport system in water, they made boats. Initially, boats were made up of small, or you can say that boats were made up of logs of wood. ना, logs of wood की help से they used to make boats. Okay, and they make cavity in these wood. Okay, they used to make cavity in these wood, and people or goods used to be placed on the surface of these boards, and they helped animals, they helped people to move from one place to another place. Okay, later on they discovered the new shape of boards, which is streamlined shape. Okay, they used to make boards which is having streamlined shape. For this they collected planks of wood and they used to combine them together. Okay, they collected the planks of wood, they used to combine them together and gave them the streamlined shape. This streamlined shape of the boat helped them to move from one place to the another. After that, invention of wheel happened. Okay, they invented wheel. So wheel was an important invention at that time because the wheels were used in making the transport vehicles such as bullock carts, horse carts, camel carts, etc. है ना? The invention of wheel leads to making of various transport vehicles such as bullock carts, okay, camel carts, horse carts, etc. कार्ट्स क्या होते हैं? वो पीछे जो गाड़ी सी होती है, दैट इज विद विच व्हील्स आर कनेक्टेड, है ना. सो कार्ट्स आर दी बैक पार्ट इन दी बुलो कार्ट्स, ओके, इन विच व्हील्स आर कनेक्टेड. आगे क्या होता था? एनिमल्स को प्लेस करते थे. दीज एनिमल यूज टू पुल these carts, and on these carts people used to sit, okay. They used to carry goods from one place to another place with the help of bullock carts, camel carts, horse carts, etc. Okay. So horse, camels, bullocks were the animal. They used to pull vehicles which moved on wheels. Okay. Later on, in the beginning of 19th century, okay, in the beginning of 19th century, invention of steam engine takes place, and this steam engine and these steam engines used to carry people and goods from one place to another place. Okay, steam engine used to pull the bogies of the train on the railway tracks. So steam engines were used in the railway tracks, okay, and these engine used to pull the blocks of the train, and in these blocks people used to sit, and in these blocks animals were also able to sit, and they can be transported from one place to the another place. Okay, so steam engine is also known as an external combustion engine. Okay, steam engine is also known as external combustion engine. In this, they used to burn coal, etc., for making the heat, and that heat used to pull the blocks of the train. They used to pull the wagons of the train. Okay, so this is no steam engines were also called external combustion engine at that time, because the fuel was burning externally for making steam, है ना. Fuel was burning externally for making the steam. Okay. Later on, development of internal combustion engine takes place, and these internal combustion engine used to be fixed in cars, okay, trucks, motorcycles, scooty, Activa, etc. So in these type of vehicles such as cars, trucks, motorcycles, etc., internal combustion engine is placed. Okay, they used to move with the help of internal combustion engine, and they are known as internal combustion engine because fuel is burning inside the vehicle. It is not burning outside. Okay, later on development of aeroplane takes place, helicopter takes place. Now there are various another vehicles such as electric trains, monorail, supersonic aeroplanes. Supersonic aeroplanes are those which fly at speed faster, more than the speed of sound. Okay, they can move more than the speed of sound. Now spacecraft have also built up. So transport system has really evolved during the time. In ancient people used to move on their foot only, or they used to move with the help of animals. Later on, development of boats takes place, development of wheels takes place, है ना. After that, development of engines takes place, and after that development of internal combustion engine takes place. Then there were discovery of aeroplanes, helicopters, spacecrafts, etc. So this was all about how people used to travel from one place to another place in ancient time, and how they used to travel in this time or in the present time. Thank you.